Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Another R dash, folks. This is the one out of that car that I took parts from in the junkyard. As you can see, all four mounts were busted out of it. So we're going to try to support those. Then this is going in a 95 car. I think this was a 96 car. So we're going to swap the wiring harness so that we could make sure we have the wire harness proper to the car too. So let me go ahead and get these ducts out of the way, find the pieces to these mounts, start gluing that stuff together and get that supported. You pull these dash, man, get all the pieces of plastic that you could find. Because like this here, this piece glues here, and there's a whole nother piece of the dash missing there. A chunk about the size of a quarter. That's letting air out that goes to your defrost. So make sure you get all the pieces you can so you can glue this stuff up right. Like this goes here, and we got chunks missing on the side there. It's hard, but you gotta find all the pieces you can so you can support this as best you can. The part I'm struggling with the most with these dashes is trying to remember to put this back on before I install the dash. I keep forgetting that, and that's hard to put on once the dash is in. Folks, it looks like we are finally ready. We got the support straps in. We got the cast nuts behind them. We got the ductwork back in. We got the wire harness switched over, different from the 95 to the 96. We are supported. We got a lot of these reinforced with the epoxy. Man, this epoxy right here, I kind of enjoyed working with this. That stuff there, where's the part number for this? But sits in 6 minutes, it really does. And when it sits, you could work with it. So I think I'll be switching to this stuff here. Product number. We are going to replace the turbo on this vehicle. Somebody had a weird intake system on here with one of these things here. They cut that open to try to get more air in there. Anyway, the turbo had a weird wire on top of the wastegate actuator. We think the bypass valve in this is blown, maybe causing it to lose boost. It just don't seem like it has the power that it should. So we're going to replace the turbo. We got one off of that car in the salvage yard. Also losing coolant. Need to figure out where that's going. So let's go ahead and pull this turbo. This turbo feels really good. Like really no play in it. Spins really good. No in and out play. And that tag looks really good. 4510010. I doubt this turbo's original. This car has over 300,000 miles on it. Somebody's got a really soft hose going from here up to the BCS, which is not good. We're going to replace that and get this replacement turbo back on. Got a lot of buildup on the turbine blade, so it's been on here for a while. 15G. This is the one we're putting on. As you can see, the tag's worn off. It's supposed to be a 15G2, but it's been recently balanced. It's got a, looks like 5241155 serial number on it. That's got a little crack in it. We're going to replace that. Get this rubber off of here. Get the pipe ready for there. Get this stupid clamp off of here. Hopefully we can get this in here without replacing this gasket, because I don't think I have this gasket with me. See how fresh and clean that turbine wheel is? There's absolutely no buildup on it. We got the turbo on, this piping hooked back up. Got the battery hooked up. We're going to have the ignition coil disconnected so we can prime the turbo. We're going to fill it up with coolant, make sure we don't have any coolant leaks. Fire this puppy up, and that's going to be it for today. Somebody had an idea of having a Volvo car meet at an In-N-Out. Man, I never seen so many people in line to get some In-N-Out burger in my life. We'd been better off having a car meet at the airport on the runway. It'd have been easier. So I imagine they're relocating this. I don't know where to. I'll try to find out what's going on. Hopefully we get some footage of some Volvos. I see an 850 over there parked, but I don't see nobody near it. Well, we are across the street from In-N-Out. You can see the Volvos over there. About 6 of them over there. We got 7 of them right here, 3 of them there, and 2 of them there. Got a decent turnout. Hanging out with the Volvo gang.
So that's why I like.
Is that the Subaru one that fits on the S60R?
I think it was like from a WRX. 0605. It was a little bit wider, and it like.
And this is all heat protection blanket, right?
Yeah, that tape stuff.
And look at the exhaust, man. The exhaust comes straight out. So that's just a straight flange on there?
Straight flange?
Yeah, just straight off the flange.
All right.
Come on, man. That's it.
There's not too many of us Volvo guys.
Start that thing on there.
Woo! Listen to that whistle.
Yeah, I love that whistle, man.
And it is exhaust, folks.
Close the hood so you can see the top of the cruiser.
Catch can. Big intake. This is not an 850, folks. This is a V70 cross country with an 850 front end on it. Why'd you put the spacers on it?
Make it a little different. Oh, you actually don't need it? You actually don't need it? No.
So it'll help when you cool the engine too.
Yeah, I figured it always it's like cold.
Forever.
No need for dual exhaust, folks. Then we got a Marine veteran here. 850 turbo sports wagon, boy. Look at them 20s. Whoo-wee. Having a little Volvo meet here. Then we got the yellow sedan dropped a little bit. Drilled and slotted rotors. 5-speed T-5R. Whew, the wheels look good.
I have a.
Get that decor down the side. Look at that. Get them the racing seat on the driver's side. Quick disconnect steering wheel. Oh yeah. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.